Jesus. Doug, your favourite person is here.
Yeah.
Here he is.
Are they outside?
Here he is. I bet you're really chuffed to see me, aren't you?
Oh yeah, fucking ecstatic.
Okay. That's good to know.
Fucking static. Well, this is ridiculous, this.
I think you got that on back to front.
Well, you'd think, wouldn't you?
It's the worst looking backplate I've ever seen in my life.
It is. Not only that, but it doesn't fit tholes. And when it came to me for fixing, it was on that way round.
Don't be daft.
And yes, there.
No.
It was on that way round. Right?
Yeah, all they've done is he's just taken it off and not thought, that's all. You can't blame him if he's not
Well,
that good.
yes, you can say that.
Yeah.
Except the holes aren't lining up that way round.
Okay. You sure it's not back to front? Turn it over so I can see the nice black.
No, it's not that way round. You look.
Oh, God, what a
Bloody
horrendous.
idiots. You come out of some shit, you do.
You gotta
And then you never stop.
The thing is,
And you keep, you look, you're still trying to quantify what you've just
but
said
it looks so
with more
bad.
idiocy.
It looks so bad that you can't blame anybody with a brain for thinking it's like the inside, not the finished, visible side. You prick.
It's because it's made in bloody far, far away land, isn't it?
Well, that's racist.
Far, far away land's racist now.
So you're implying
That's in Shrek, you bloody twat.
So you're implying that anywhere not around here is...
So that racist against
the
fucking Shreks.
Quality is garbage, therefore inferior.
Oh, she's come out with some right crap, you know. Have you seen the screws that it came in with? It was them. That was the screws in the back plate.
Something like that? Oh, gold.
Well, no, look at them.
Very small, aren't they?
Well, it isn't that. Look at them.
Can't see them properly.
Well, you're getting blind. You need glasses, obviously,
No,
in your
can't zoom in
50s now.
properly.
Look, the flat-headed screws, they're for, general woodworking.
No, I didn't notice.
Building a fence or something.
Oh, yeah.
They're not for guitars.
What, do you think somebody built a fence with screws that big?
Well, you know what I mean. General woodworking,
Maybe,
you twat.
Maybe a model maker. Working on like
why'd you have to argue with everything?
1/20th scale.
There's something wrong with you mentally.
Yeah, I'm not the problem. You are.
Yes, I'm putting up with you. That's the problem.
Anyway, listen, I will say,
Go on.
we've had complaints
Good.
that you
Yes.
aren't swearing like you used to. Apparently you've become soft.
Mild-mannered.
Yeah, like I've explained to somebody on the comments that when you kind of, because we're monetising the video, so we're currently getting about £5 a month, I think, something like that, if that.
All right.
So
Will I ever see any of that? No.
No. Well, I'm not seeing any of it. It's there. You can't withdraw it.
All right.
You have to get to a certain amount apparently. But when I do withdraw it, I won't give you anything.
No, I didn't think you would. Yeah.
But somebody, I did explain that. In fact, I forgot what I'm fucking talking about. Oh yeah, when you monetise it, depending on how much you swear,
Yeah.
that determines how many ads you can have. Yeah.
All right.
So if you swear in the first 7 seconds, it's pretty.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Okay.
And then the first level is, do you have any swearing in this video, like shit, piss? Yeah. It's quite funny seeing that on the screen actually.
I haven't sworn. I don't swear. You know.
No.
that.
And then the next level is, are there any fucks?
We don't say that word on that.
Yeah, actually, I'm going to sort of.
Felmer.
I'm going to edit that out. Any fucks or CUNTs.
Yes.
Bollocks is not a problem.
Isn't it?
Piss.
Might be a problem when you start itching.
Shit is. Shit's in the first category.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you think about that?
I don't care.
Anyway, so somebody said
Yeah.
they kind of you're going all soft and weak.
Yeah.
Weak. You've become a weak man
Right.
because you're not swearing like you used to, and that's what they used to
All right.
tune
Is
in
that
for.
what it says?
Yeah.
And become soft.
Soft and weak. No, I think weak's better.
Weak.
better
Oh,
word.
weak. Right. Lovely.
They didn't say that. That's my interpretation.
Oh, that's you
I've added
coming
that.
up
Yeah,
with that,
artistic
yeah.
license. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
What am I supposed to think, am I? I'm busy. I've lost one already.
Wonder if you've.
Where the bloody hell have I done with that?
Wonder if you've stopped swearing.
I haven't stopped swearing. Fuck off. Where's that? Where's that gone? There's two there.
What are you?
Oh, it's still there, you bloody idiot.
You know,
I do.
you're not as stupid as James looks.
There they are. They're very good, them are. How's he done these ones though? Oh, he's used to them.
What are very good?
These strings. You have to tie them on normally.
Oh dear. Alliance Hit Classics. Savares. Well, whatever. You say tomato, I say tomato.
I know you do, because you have to be bloody awkward all the while.
This is supposed to be entertainment, Doug. I can fuck off if you want.
No, you started swearing.
So I'm trying to get you excited so you lose your temper and
I don't
you
like
get back to normal.
I don't like this swearing.
If you get back to being a twat and miserable, moody, horrible, and like you normally used to be,
I'm not moody, miserable, or anything.
Might make some money. You've ruined this channel, you have. You've ruined it. You don't think you need to tell me you're not like terminally ill or something, are you?
Sorry?
Is he not terminally ill or something, are you?
Mentally ill, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, this is quite a nice tone, this.
Actually, it looks
It's a bit rattly and stuff.
Well, it's a bit harder. It's an Admiral.
Yeah, I don't know if they're any good at all.
Looks quite nice.
I haven't inspected it.
Is this a decent bit of wood or not? I can't tell.
It looks like cedar, doesn't it?
It almost looks like it's plastic.
Yes. It's
just proper wood, isn't it?
I don't know. I haven't really inspected it yet.
Like
I've only just picked it up.
There you go. Listen.
What have I dropped there?
It's right, it's on your bridge. You don't need it really, do you?
I don't need it.
So that, do you want to bin it?
Well, it seems to be real wood, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
you don't need that, do you? Yeah, it's quite nice. It's got a nice finish, nice look to it. Looks like it's been in a household that smokes heavily.
Been in an attic, actually.
It's all like yellowy.
For 20 years, I think.
Is it really?
Mm.
No, call me stupid, but that fretboard looks like it's like a bit.
It does,
concave?
it's concave, yeah.
Yeah. That's not good.
Because it is.
So it's like a reverse radius.
Yes, it is. Well, that's because it is.
You could store marbles on that fretboard, couldn't you? They'd never roll off.
Yeah, the Elgin marbles could be kept here.
You do realise they're not marbles.
Well, basically they are. They're made in limestone, the Elgin marbles are. Are you thinking round shotties that you used to play with when you were a kid?
Yeah, exactly.
They're glass.
Exactly, I was making a joke.
Yeah. Oh, a joke.
Yeah.
I don't think the viewer will notice.
What's the added value to this video we're doing now?
I have no idea. I'm just taking these broken strings off.
Okay, is there any... Let's call it how to take broken strings off a guitar professionally.
Well, don't do it like this.
Lesson over.
I hate these things where you have to go inside, especially when you've got a cut in your thumb.
It's because you're a lazy bastard.
I know I've got a cut in my thumb.
Oh.
Oh, I want more sympathy than that, viewer.
How have you done that, counting your £50 notes too fast?
No, I bloody cut it on the grinder thing.
Paper cut.
Went straight through.
Straight through.
Straight
through one layer
right
of
to the
skin.
bone.
Only another 90 layers to go.
Right straight to the bone.
Well, I'll be honest with you, I'm bored.
Okay, have you gone yet?
Is there anything else we can film?
Yeah, there's loads of things.
Alright, then we'll stop this fucking...
Stop working and getting people's guitars ready.
This dull as dishwater video.
Yeah.
And we'll move on to the next one.
Okay.
What time is it now? It's 2:45. I'll say another half an hour. Then I'll have a little drive home in the lovely sun.
It is nice, isn't it?
It's a lovely day today. It's going to be like this for a week apparently.
Oh, good. And then what? Back to shit?
No, it'll probably get hotter. I went to the dentist earlier. I was roasting alive in my car. I had to turn the what do you call it, air conditioning on, which it hasn't got. It's like the pretend air conditioning, you know.
Yeah. Have you got air
Christ.
conditioning in your car?
Welcome to the Doug's Audi air conditioning YouTube channel.
How come you haven't got aircon in an Audi?
It's not proper aircon, is it? It's like it just blows cold air.
I see.
There's no tank. There's no like.
There's no one of them.
There's no liquid tank thing with the.
Okay.
the good stuff in. I don't know why. I mean, obviously, if I was going out tomorrow to buy a brand new one, Doug, I'd spec it up to the hilt, you know.
What's that? That's not it. Oh, that's it, isn't it?
What's it? Oh yeah. Back to front, that is.
Doesn't matter yet. Okay.
Yeah. So what are you thinking?
I'm just thinking about it first. I can hear something rattling inside.
A loose strut.
That's what I'm thinking. I can't feel one though. I had a feel the other day on it. If I didn't have a proper thing, I'd just slacken the strings off and had a feel. But no, there isn't anything.
Give it another tappy again.
Oh, it must have been
sounds
something
right.
on the bench. There's nothing. There isn't anything loose.
Hit it with a hammer, see if that makes any
Oh
difference.
no, I'll do that. I've got the big hammer. No, there's nothing loose.
Hey, with skills like that, you could have been a vet.
I know. Oh, watched that Yorkshire vet show last night, oh my word. They do some stuff there. They had a chicken with a swollen foot. Abscess in its foot.
Yeah, I don't watch it, but
It's a
they do.
pet chicken.
Yeah, but they do things like some will come in with like a lizard and they'll like take his back tooth out or something, won't they?
Yeah.
It's like should be just basically just strangled and binned, but it seems like they'll treat anything though.
They scrape all the shit out the chicken's foot. You know, cut it open.
Yeah.
Abscess and everything. Antibiotics and stuff. It's a really nice chicken actually. I like chickens. No, it was a bloody Yorkshire vet, you twat, I just told you.
No, you would have chopped them off and been on a
Yorkshire.
plate within seconds.
It's a pet chicken.
I know. Baby vets, you know what I think it is? I've got a sneaking suspicion it's all about money and income.
Well, they've got massive premises, all these Yorkshire vets have.
That's what I mean, yeah. Strange
Big,
enough.
brand new buildings.
Makes you wonder what they'll attempt to save
Yeah.
in a terribly, horribly moral way. Anyway, listen, this is utter nonsense now.
No,
No, that's going to be another one. It's going to be another one. Put it back.
No, I'm doing this.
Well, I'm going to stop.
Okay. Stop now.